Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the coming 15 days of September. Okay, so let's see what we have for you Pisces, and in the meantime please subscribe to my channel. Let's see, the cards are jumping but I don't take the jumping cards now. So anyway, let's see Pisces. Okay, we have the Ten of Wands, the Queen of Wands, the Six of Swords, the Ten of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, Seven of Swords, Six of Wands, the Three of Pentacles. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. The Chariot, okay, Seven of Spades, the Chariot of this deck. Guidance from the angels for Pisces. Five of Thought. Okay, Pisces, you are carrying a lot of burden on yourself. Now, this burden can be a mental burden, emotional burden, or actually a responsibility. Okay, so there is something which is weighing heavily on your head, and you want to unburden it, and you are doing that. Because here with the Queen of Wands and with the Six of Swords, you are trying to gain control of yourself, trying to gain control of your life, of your inner self. Okay, in general. So it's even if it is emotional or if it is a responsibility which you are carrying of maybe your family, of somebody else, whatever it is, you are, and it is burdening your life. That's what it is, affecting your life. Whatever it is, whatever the burden is, it is affecting your life. If it is a burden of your own some experience of yours, or maybe it is a responsibility of somebody else in your life, whatever it is burdening you, and you want to unburden yourself. You want to, it's not that you want to get rid of the responsibility if it is a responsibility, but if it is becoming a baggage or an emotional baggage, then you just want to get rid of it. Basically the thing is, you want happiness for yourself, and that is what you are doing. You are moving towards this Ten of Cups of yours. You are moving towards this happiness, and if it is a relationship which you are looking for, then maybe that is what you are moving towards. Maybe you are leaving behind some burden to achieve this happiness or a commitment. So you're moving towards happiness. If it is actually that you are leaving something to and you are going to commit to someone, is something different. But whatever it is maybe it is just a mental happiness. It's just happiness for yourself. If it is not related to somebody else, if you don't have a relationship in your life, you're single or you're not looking for a relationship, basically it's all about yourself. Then that you are basically wanting happiness for yourself. If it is a commitment, it's good. Maybe you're entering into a commitment or a relationship or maybe a marriage, whatever it can be, that because it's a family. But overall the vibe here is that you are moving, doing whatever is required to get your happiness. And here with the Eight of Pentacles and with the Page of Swords, you are totally focused on something, and this something seems to be this only, this Ten of Cups. You want to get this Ten of Cups. You're working very hard in that direction. And here with the Page of Swords, you have a new beginning. It can be a new communication or a message from someone, or a new beginning for you. There is something new over here which is coming. This is a new beginning which is coming up in a form of a message or information or whatever. But there is a new beginning over here. It is giving you a clarity also to some extent. It can be a new idea. in your own mind. And over here with the Seven of Swords, the Six of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. You know what? You are so focused on getting your happiness and you are working hard to get it. And what I am feeling here is whatever this burden was, or whatever it is was which you are trying to move away from, so because there is definitely some sort of a deception going on over here. Somebody who was perhaps not committing, it can be this. Maybe somebody was acting immature, somebody was acting sneaky over here. Okay, and maybe that was the cause of your disturbed mental peace. If it was mental peace or tension, whatever it was, there was something, some sort of deception was going on. And what I see here is that you are turning your back from this situation and moving ahead in your life. I would like to see, have some more cards for you Pisces, just to see what's actually going on over here. We have the King of Swords, the Strength, and the King of Pentacles. The Judgment, the Hierophant, all the major cards are coming, and the Four of Wands, the World, the Ace of Cups. These two jumped out initially also when I was shuffling the cards. So Pisces, I took more cards because when I took these cards, it was all King of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the Strength. So what I felt was that you are dealing with somebody who is in a pretty powerful position. That's what I would like to say. This person is in a very powerful position because you are moving away, because you are carrying this burden. Maybe you were carrying the burden of this relationship only. Okay, maybe you were the one who was putting in all the effort. It can be this also. So it had become a burden. Now you just want to find your happiness. You are doing your work, focused on your work, and when you decide to do that, you are feeling happy over here. Okay, but as I said, there is something sneaky, somebody non-committal, somebody not giving you the entire information, somebody not speaking the truth to you as to maybe perhaps how they feel. They are not telling you the truth, whosoever this person is. And I see you turning your back from this person and moving ahead in life. That's what you're trying to move ahead in life. And when this person looks back to you, they see you going away. That's what that also I got. And here what I am feeling is this is the energy of that person. That maybe this person is very influential person and a very powerful person, and you are dealing with this situation with a lot of strength. That is one thing. And in the other scenario, if it is not them and if it's you, then maybe you are gaining that much control in your life. You're being very guarded. You are building up yourself since you are working very hard, and you are dealing with the situation with a lot of strength, and you are just trying to build yourself up. You're trying to build up your confidence. You are trying to get the control of your life back if it is you. And here with the Judgment, the Hierophant, the Four of Wands, the World, and the Ace of Cups. So what I feel here again is there is some sort of a decision which is being taken, and here with the Hierophant, it is a commitment which is coming in. Yeah, Because see, if this was the person who was hiding their feelings from you and not telling you the truth, maybe now they are also, because they are very controlled and all, and maybe they are also having a hard time with the strength card. It can be that you are dealing with the situation with a lot of strength and patience and perseverance, and maybe now, since they see you turning your back to them, maybe now they are also using all the strength to control themselves, and ultimately they have to take a decision. With the judgment card over here and with the Hierophant and the Four of Wands, what I see is there is happiness and commitment which is coming in. With the Hierophant, it is commitment. So maybe ultimately they have to take a decision, because maybe they've been carrying this for long, and it's the time to decide now for them. And here is the commitment which comes in, which is changing the life and giving you a lot of emotional satisfaction over here. With the World and the Ace of Cups, is definitely something major which is happening in this scenario. But definitely, whosoever this person is, either you are taking back the control, and then I think it's them. For most of you, I think it's the energy of the person you're dealing with, that this person is quite controlled in their behaviors, and they are not telling you the truth, hiding their feelings, and you were sick and tired of it, so you decided to move away. And then they are also keeping quiet, but now perhaps it is taxing them also, that because with the judgment, here comes the need to take a decision, need to take a call, and followed by the Hierophant, which is commitment over here, and Four of Wands is commitment, family, relationship. Okay, so this comes in, which changes your world, which changes your life, which gives you a lot of emotional happiness and satisfaction. Okay, with the Five of Thought, the path you were on, oh, here I forgot to read the chart. Yeah, with the Seven of Spades, which is the chariot of this deck, I think things will move pretty fast over here once they decide to open up. If that is what they are doing, and that is what they were keeping quiet, things will move pretty fast over here. With the Five of Thought, the path you were on seemed like the right one, but now you have run into a challenge. There is a better direction for you that will make you much happier in the end. Changes are necessary so that you can get back on the track. Avoid negative people who are draining you or bringing unwanted drama into your life, and that is what you are doing. You are choosing a different path because you've decided to move away. And perhaps once they see you leaving, they realize and then they decide to open up, perhaps, because here is some sort of a decision which is being made, and here is a relationship also. So definitely this is their energy, not yours. It's talking about two people over here, which is changing the life and giving a lot of emotional satisfaction and a new beginning also. So Pisces, you've changed your approach, you've changed your things, and maybe then the results come in. Let's see. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and let's meet in the next video, Pisces. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.